Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, and you've spent hours trying to crack the code on lead generation with short-form video, then you're going to love what I have to share today. Because honestly, getting views on your Reels, Shorts, or TikToks is not the problem anymore. The real challenge is turning those views into actual leads or sales. And if you've ever felt stuck or overwhelmed trying to do that, trust me, you're not alone. Let me paint a quick picture. You've got great content, maybe it even goes viral, but at the end of the day, all you're left with are likes and views. No leads, no list, no sales. And from there, the rabbit hole begins. You start testing landing pages, email tools, maybe even paying for ads, and before you know it, you've spent way more time building tech than creating content, and you're still not seeing results. That was me for the longest time, until I came across something that finally made sense. It's called Reels2Leads, and when I say it changed how I approach lead generation, I'm not exaggerating. This tool takes the short-form videos people are already watching and lets you turn them into lead capture machines in just a few clicks. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard, you don't need a funnel builder, and you definitely don't need to spend a fortune on ads. Here's how it works. You grab a link from any trending TikTok, YouTube Short, or Instagram Reel, or even upload your own video, and then you drop it into Reels2Leads. The app instantly wraps that video inside a hosted page. But this isn't just some random video player on a blank page. You get built-in opt-in forms, clickable call to actions, and overlays that show up while your audience is watching. It's super smart and super smooth. What I really like is that it's completely platform agnostic. So whether your content is on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, you can plug it into Reels2Leads and create a lead funnel that looks professional and performs well. The pages are mobile optimized, which is huge since most of our audience watches short videos on their phones. Plus, the setup is lightning fast. I'm talking minutes, not hours or days. And this isn't just about pasting a video and crossing your fingers. You can customize the entire experience. You can add forms wherever you want, choose when your buttons appear, and even stylize the captions with emojis, colors, and bold text to match your brand. That little extra touch really helps with engagement, especially when people are watching on mute. The tool was created by Vijay Pratap Singh, who's behind a bunch of successful software tools for marketers. If you've used things like Conversely AI or Smart Local AI, then you know his stuff tends to be both powerful and practical. Reels2Leads follows that same idea, making tech easy for people who just want results. One thing I appreciate about this tool is that it takes what's already working, viral videos, and builds on that momentum. Instead of struggling to create a fancy PDF or spending hours designing a lead magnet, you're using content that people are already drawn to. It flips the script. Instead of forcing people to your funnel, you meet them where their attention already is. Also, you don't need any hosting or domain setup to get started. Your pages are hosted on fast servers and they're live instantly. If you do want to use your own domain, that's an option too, but you don't have to. Everything runs straight out of the box. And because it connects with tools like Mailchimp, ConvertKit, and Google Sheets, your leads are delivered right into your email system without any manual work. For me, what sealed the deal is that Reels2Leads doesn't just save time, it actually gets results. I've tested it with affiliate promos, waitlists, and even simple newsletter opt-ins. Every time, I saw better engagement and higher conversions compared to traditional landing pages. And I didn't have to touch a single line of code. Right now, it's available for a one-time payment, which honestly feels like a steal considering what it replaces. No subscriptions, no hidden upsells, just a straightforward tool that works. So if you're tired of watching your views pile up without anything to show for it, Reels2Leads might be exactly what you need. It's quick, easy, and actually enjoyable to use. Give it a try and see how much easier lead generation can be when you've got the right tools. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this video helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one.